Looking for the perfect wireless microphone? Whether you're a podcaster, vlogger, presenter, or content creator, we've rounded up the best wireless mics that offer impressive audio quality, reliable performance, and smart features. In this video, we'll walk you through each mic's standout specs, like sound clarity, wireless range, battery life, connectivity, and user-friendliness, so you can find the right match for your setup. Be sure to check the links in the description for the latest deals. Let's get started. 1. Boya Mini, best for casual creators on the go. The Boya Mini is a super light, pocket-sized wireless lav mic that punches above its weight. At just 5 grams, it's ideal for mobile creators who need portability without compromising sound quality. It records at 48 kHz/16-bit resolution with an omnidirectional pickup and offers 3 levels of AI-powered noise cancellation. With a range of up to 328 feet and a plug-and-play USB-C receiver, it's ready to go in seconds. A fun bonus? A voice changer with male, female, and original modes. It runs 6 hours per charge and up to 30 hours with the case. Perfect for vloggers, streamers, and teachers. The only trade-off is its 16-bit audio depth, which may not meet professional standards. 2. Hollyland Lark M2S. Best for professional audio in a tiny form. The Hollyland Lark M2S Ultimate Combo offers studio-level sound in a sleek, button-sized design. At just 7 grams, it's comfortable to wear with a secure titanium clip that stays put even during physical activity. It delivers crisp 24-bit/48 kHz audio with low distortion, enhanced by adjustable ENC noise reduction. The smart RF shielding reduces signal interference, making it perfect for urban shoots. It works across USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5mm devices, and its battery case extends usage up to 30 hours. The Lark M2S is built for creators who need excellent sound and versatility in a stylish, compact mic. 3. DJI Mic Mini, best for DJI ecosystem and long recording sessions. Compact yet powerful, the DJI Mic Mini delivers rich 24-bit audio in a 10-gram body. With a wide frequency response starting at 20 Hz and omnidirectional pickup, it ensures natural voice capture. It boasts a massive 400 m range, dual-level noise cancellation, and features like automatic gain limiting and backup safety tracks. You'll get up to 48 hours of battery life with the charging case, and a 5-minute quick charge adds 1 hour of use. It also integrates perfectly with DJI Osmo devices without a receiver, though it lacks real-time low-latency monitoring, something to consider for live streamers. 4. Saramonic Blink 500B2+, best for 2-person interviews and dual recording. The Saramonic Blink 500B2+ is a versatile mic kit built for 2-person setups. Each transmitter includes an omnidirectional mic, noise-canceling tech, and furry windshields for outdoor use. With 24-bit/48 kHz recording, real-time monitoring, and compatibility with all major devices, it offers excellent control and flexibility. The OLED receiver features mono, stereo, and safety track modes, plus a low-cut filter and headphone output. The system delivers up to 492 feet of range and 40 hours of battery life using the included charging case. It's an ideal pick for interviewers, journalists, and mobile streamers who want reliable dual-channel audio. 5. Maono Wave T5, best for custom noise control and app integration. Sleek and powerful, the Maono Wave T5 delivers pro-grade audio in a lightweight 9G form. It records at 24-bit/48 kHz with an 80 dB SNR and covers an impressive 1,000-foot range thanks to frequency hopping tech. Its advanced ENC chip allows you to tweak noise cancellation with 14 levels across 3 modes via the Maono Link app. You also get preset voice filters for tailored recording profiles. Plug-and-play setup, real-time muting, and the ability to take photos remotely with a long press make it super intuitive. The downside? Non-replaceable batteries, but its 30-hour total battery life makes up for it.